Welcome to this week's episode of FTK Feature Focus. I am Justin Tolman here at Xtero. Be sure to check out the last two videos if you are doing child exploitation or child trafficking cases, because we talk with Dan Sumter and Sarah Hargreaves about Project Vic and Project Cade implementation within FTK. Also, be on the lookout for our podcast episode featuring them, where they talk about their training here at Xtero and all the different things that they offer there and all the different opportunities for you to get trained, and not just in FTK, but also in forensics and general workflows and artifact types and those types of things. So be sure to check out that podcast episode. Make sure you're subscribed to that and this channel so you get your content when it comes out, and you can reference it later when you need it. This week, FTK 7.5.2 came out, and there was a couple really cool optimizations within that software. You can download it from the website. Currently, the downloads are still housed on accessdata.com, not xtero.com. So be sure, if you're looking for the new version, to go to accessdata.com, products and downloads, and check it out there. Update your software. The optimization that I'm going to take a look at today came recommended by one of our users at a government agency, who said that they were processing a 13 gigabyte video, and in the older version that took about an hour and a half to create the thumbnails that they wanted to create. And in 7.5.2, we have reduced that time down to 2 minutes. That is a huge time saving. Obviously, you can do the math there on what percentage that was. But it is important to note that if you in the past have not been using this feature or didn't even know about the video thumbnail generation feature, we're going to cover it here, take a look at it, and why you should use it. So jumping into FTK, one video file in this case, just for simplicity, and it's not encapsulated into an 81. Remember, you should always encapsulate files into an 81 before you process if it didn't come in a secure forensic container in the first place. In our processing options, we'll just do file signature analysis, and then we're going to create thumbnails for videos. That's all you need to do this. You can adjust your thumbnail options if you want, based on percentage or interval. Interval would be based on frames. I prefer percentage. I don't know how long the video is. I haven't watched it. So specifying the frames, whatever. But you can adjust this. So 5 frames is 20 thumbnails, and or 20% would be 5 thumbnails. So adjust that to however much you want. If you're working cases and you have a ton of video evidence, this can save you a lot of time. So we'll hit OK. We'll just keep it at the default. We'll hit OK. We have our time zone in there, and we'll just hit OK and let it roll. Once it finishes, go ahead and click close. We'll go over to our video tab. And the video tab is one of those places that will be populated based on your processing options. Even if you have video within your case, if you haven't run the video thumbnail option like we just did, this tab will not be populated with data. So just be aware of that. If you wanted to look at only video and you didn't run that option, in the overview tab, we have a video section and you can get right to all that stuff. Overview is really the best place to start in your case. So yeah, but this is for your thumbnails. You can see the thumbnails that we've generated here, and you can see it's just a garbage little video that's there. With the thumbnails, an examiner can look through and find, okay, hey, I'm looking for a cat, and here we go. So to watch this video, I'm gonna right click and open with external program. I'm going to choose VLC because VLC is awesome. I'm going to click OK. And it might not play, given that this was just a garbage video I made at 4K 60 frames a second. And who knows if VLC on the machine I've got it on will want to process that video. So it's opened up. And it says it's playing, but it's not moving. So yeah, but there we go. We got another frame. There's the cat. Basically, we just learned something about VLC, that it chokes on 4K 60 frames a second. The point is, though, that you can, within FTK, generate thumbnails very quickly with videos, especially with our optimizations with 7.5.2. And if you have FTK Lab or you're using DPEs with normal FTK, you can speed that up even more, but it allows you to get through your evidence quicker, not only just in the processing optimizations, but in this one specifically, you don't have to watch or scrub through the video. You can look at the thumbnails and make a determination of, is this something I need to do a deeper dive into, or can I just skip it? We're going to be at Techno next week, so there may not be an FTK Feature Focus, but there will be an episode on Wednesday of the CISA Playbook over incident response. We'll be doing the episode on the preparation phase. Episode 2 comes out this upcoming Wednesday, so check that out on the channel as well. And again, 7.5.2 has released, so run out, download that to get advantage of the new optimizations. We'll be talking about some of the other features as well in upcoming episodes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next episode.